Hello guys, welcome. It's your boy Charles, and I am here again with a second tutorial on how to use MBLab. MBLab is one of the amazing programs created for Blender, and I think it's free. Yeah, anybody can just go there and just like grab it and just like collect it. Yes. On our first tutorial, guys, we're talking about how to create the character. Then we created the character, and now let's see how to create the facial rig for this character. Okay, now this character is basically for I'll be designing a cartoon with it. As time goes on, you are going to see how we are going to design this character to make it really look cartoonish. We are going to put hair on this character, we are going to put clothes on this character, we are going to put shoes on this character, and then we are going to do some UV mapping, we are going to do some texturing on the skin, and we are going to do a lot. So we are going to see how we are going to do that, but for today we want to see how we can rig this. So once you are done with your character, you have arranged it and you have made everything great, all you want to do is you want to click on finalize. Okay, so when you click on finalize, you are going to come down and you see prefix. Okay, prefix, you are going to write you just save the character as maybe let's just say anime girl. Okay, yeah, then when you click on finalize, it's going to take you here, so you can select where you are going to save your character. So I want to say cartoon girl. Yeah, I've saved a lot of cartoon girls, so I'll just say 2. So remember, anyway, it's my own way of saving. You can save it in your own way. Okay, you must not save it in my own way. So I'm going to say finalize. Okay, now it's going to actually do its best to save it. It's actually saving the character, because actually when it saves the character, it's going to take us to another set of tools that are really important, and you'll be able to see how to use those tools. Okay, now you see that it has saved our character. Now this character is completely rigged. I just want you to know that MBLab rigs all its characters before giving it to you, but for some reason they don't do the facial rig. It's like they want you to do it, or they want you to make a decision to do it, because some people may want to use other plugins to do their facial rigs, like Faceit and AutoRig Pro, all those other plugins, so but I want to do my face rig with this. So we are going to click on face rig. You click here, this is it, face rig, then you just come down here and say generate rig. Boom, boom. It has already created everything, guys. It's amazing. So here on this first part here, this is where you do your lip sync. Okay, this is where you do your lip sync, and then here it gives you some extra options to maybe make your character smile or laugh, and then this work on the face and on the mouth. And then this like the eyes and the nose, the jaw and everything. So it's amazing. Let's go in and see how this works. Okay, so if I click here, all right, so this one is this one actually says I think that's what it's saying. So so I want to say, let me click on this and just try to see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to hold G, and then if I hold G, you see I have two options now. Okay, so you see it opens the mouth. Okay, so when I leave it, you see it has created a keyframe. Then I can move like 10 or 5, and then I'll take it back up. Great. Okay, let's see, now we have an open mouth. That's great, guys. It's amazing. Okay, you. Okay, let's go to you. So remember, you have to actually click on it. Okay, you have to actually click on it before it actually works. So I'll click on G and then I'll be like you. You see that? You. So I think it's bad. I was doing something wrong there. So you, and then I'll just move forward and then I will put it back close. That's great. I think that is doing something wrong here. So I'll just block it back. I think I'll block it. No, okay. Anyway, you get the point. You spend some time on your editing, you can do a lot. Anyway, I think that it creates a single bar for everything. Okay. So anyway, you get a point. You just get a point, right? Yes, there's a lot of things you can do. We are going to go into a proper animation, lip sync stuff. I just want to show you how the whole thing works. So if you come here, we can also make it smile. You see that? Oh yeah, we can make it smile. Okay, smile with your mouth open, girl. Ow, teeth are not opening. Okay, I have to like go and open the teeth or what? What's your mouth? Mouth close, mouth chew, mouth large open. So maybe if the mouth smiles and you want it to smile more, you might want to open the mouth. Maybe do that. That's a very funny laugh. I don't know. So you get the point. Right? So I think that if we go to our render settings, we can see more into this. So I want to show you the eyes. Yeah, the eyes is rendering it. What? Oh, I rendered it in Eevee. Oh God, I should have rendered in. Okay, in Cycles. Okay. Let's just see how this goes. Okay. Oh shit. No, my computer is not that the best for Cycles. Everybody complains about Cycles is too hard. Let me try to see if I could change it. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, I'm just going to cut the video and go over to where I solved the problem. Okay guys, alright, so we are back. We are on Eevee right now, so it's easy for us to see the character. Okay, our character is laughing, so let's go to the eyes. Guys, thighs. Okay, so I'm going to select these both eyes. Okay, then I'm going to move them. You see how it's moving, right? It's actually moving. Don't mind, my computer is kind of slow. You see how the eyes are moving. You can take it up, you can take it to the side. You see that? Yeah, that's great. Okay, wow, I feel that MV Lab is great, guys. Just go in there, do stuff and do a lot of things and just make yourself happy, guys. It's really great. So you see that you can actually, you do this, you can bring down the hand. Okay, bring that down and just take it up. Okay, yeah, you can take that up like that, and then you can squeeze that up to down, and you can make her, I think you can make her sit. You can make her sit. Yeah, send her feet up. Yeah, see that? It's amazing, guys. It's really amazing. MBLab is easy to use, guys. It's so easy to use. So just go in there, touch things, and just shake things, and just shake body and do body things. So thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the notification bell. I'll be doing tutorials. You know, this is a series. I'm going to do a lot of tutorials on MBLab. You remember, we have a lot to go, right? We have things like the hair, the clothes, the shoes, you know, everything, the skin, everything, animation. We are going to do a lot with MBLab. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, guys.